Hi, everyone. If you live in Australia or run a business here, you need to understand GST, Goods and Services Tax. It's a 10% tax on most goods and services. Today, I'll show you two quick ways to calculate it using Excel. Example 1. Adding GST. Let's say laptop is $1,000. To add GST, multiply the price by 10%, 0.1. So in Excel, equals C9 times C4 gives you the GST amount. Then add it to the original price. Equals D9 plus C9 gives you the total including GST. Results? Laptop, $1,100. Example 2. Finding GST from the total. Now, what if you have the total including GST and want to find the GST amount? Restaurant, $55. In Australia, GST is 1/11th of the total price. So in Excel, equals C14 divided by 11 gives GST amount. Then subtract it to get the price without GST. Equals C14 minus D14. Results? Restaurant, GST $5, ex-GST $50. And that's it. Whether you're adding GST or pulling it out of a total, it's just a simple formula.